Today, we are using a short crust pastry with cocoa to make chocolate tartlets. Step 1. Chocolate cream. Start by chopping coarsely the chocolate and place it in a bowl. In a separate bowl, place the egg yolks, sugar, and mix using a spatula. In a saucepan over medium heat, pour the heavy cream and milk and bring it to a boil. Add them to the egg yolks while mixing. Put back in the saucepan. Then, cook the cream over low heat while stirring constantly until it thickens slightly and it goes through spatula. Pour the cream over the chocolate. Mix with the spatula until you have a smooth cream. Cover with a plastic wrap. Place in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours. Step 2. Short crust pastry. Using a rolling pin, spread the short crust pastry. Using the 8 cm or 3 inches diameter cookie cutter, cut out dough discs. Remove the excess of dough. Place on a baking pan and use a fork to prick the discs. Bake for about 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 360 degrees Fahrenheit until cooked. Step 3. Garnish the tartlets. Insert your piping tip in a piping bag. Then, place the chocolate cream in the piping bag. On the short crust pastry discs, pipe some chocolate cream. Place in the fridge for 30 minutes before serving. Bon appétit!